Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Kyojuro from Demon Slayer. So let's get started. To draw this awesome Demon Slayer, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So as you notice, I'm not drawing them as big as I usually would for the girls. And so just keep that in mind when you're drawing these circles. So then from there, let's come in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. From there, let's go ahead and we need to draw a kind of like this curve as slant over the eyes. So I'm going to come right about here and we're going to go up. So let's come here and we're going to go up over the eye, follow that curve, the circle, and then just slant it up. So I'm just trying my best here to use my Draw So Cute eyes, but then to still kind of make it the anime look where he has this very slanted eye. So same thing on the other side. Hopefully you think it works. Just a little bit easier to draw. So we're going to do the same thing and go up. Nice slant. There. Okay, so then from there, let's see here. Then we need to draw the eyebrows. So let's come back about right here. And once again, we're going to go up for these very distinct eyebrows, and then we're going to thicken them up and split them right here. Do the shape, and then I'll quickly shade this all in. And same thing here. So let's go up, right over the eye, and then we're going to thicken it up. And shade it in. There. Okay, so then from there we need to draw a smile, of course. So right in the center, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve and cap it off. There. Then from there, let's go ahead and frame the face. So I will use, let's say about right here where this point is, I'll come out just a little bit. And same thing here, just a little bit. And I'm going to draw this slight angle line coming down. So it's like my usual bottom of a U, but a little bit more angular. So we're going to bring this in. And then about right here, kind of like where the jawline would be, we're just going to start to bring it in towards the center. So let's say about right here. And let's go ahead and draw the same thing on the other side. So right here, jaw, bring it in. There, nice and strong, right? And if you like, I think I can come in here and just thicken this part up. I think it looks a little bit better. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and we are going to come back to the center. So let's say about right here, we just need to curve around. So I'm going to go ahead and find my center and give myself a point about right here. From there, I'm going to start to zigzag for his hairline. So let's go up and we're just going to zigzag all the way down to about here and then just connect everything. So same thing here, zigzag. And then bring it down to connect it. There. And then from there, we need to draw a lot more zigzags. So it's kind of like flames that we're drawing today. Bring this up a little bit more. Okay, so then let's see here. Let's come back to one. We can draw one level. So let's come back to the center. We're about right here. And I'm going to work on this side. I'm going to go ahead and just bear with me here. So we're just going to go up, split it in the middle, and then we're going to go up. And we're just going to start to draw kind of these flames coming out. So maybe 3 of them there, and then we're going to start to come down on the sides. Just want to zigzag, and then as we come down to about right here where his eyes are, kind of in this area, we're going to bring one down, kind of like sideburns, and then come here, and then we're just going to finish it off and tuck it in. So then about right here in this space is kind of maybe just let's see a little bit of his ear. So we're just going to draw a curve right there. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So curve. And so let's go ahead and just zigzag our way across. And back and forth about here. And then once again, same thing as we come to about this area. We're going to come down. And then bring everything down. There. Okay, so then once again in this space, just draw a curve for indication of his ear. And then at the top, we're going to go straight up. So let's say about right here. And once again, just maybe 2 curves, just the tops. And I almost forgot, we need to draw one more layer. So let's come out about right here. And we're going to add another layer of flames. So here, 1, 2, and 3, and then just tuck it in. So same thing here. 1, 2, 3, and then just tuck it in. And then now we can go ahead and just top it off right here over his head. And in the center, just for some detail, just to draw a line, maybe split it. There. Okay, so hopefully it's not, I'm helping you, and I know it's a lot of detail. Hopefully I'm helping you today. And so let's draw his body before we finish the rest of his hair. So I'm going to come to the bottom right here underneath his chin, and we're going to give him a neck. So I'm making it a little bit thicker because he has this collar. And so come right about here, and I'm going to come curve and then bring it down and up. And I'm going to split it and split it. So just for some details. And then we're going to come down for his shoulders. Nice and wide. Same thing here. And he has this cloak that he's wearing, so I'm going to come about right here and just curve out. So same thing here. I'm just trying to simplify it as much as I can. So I'm going to split that, and then imagine his shoulders, his armpits would be about right here, and then we're going to bring down an angle line. So about right here. So same thing, shoulder, armpit, and about right here, just nice and center. We're just going to bring down angle line for his body. And we're going to go ahead about right there. I'm going to cut it off and come straight down for a belt, and then cut it off again. And then we can pop this out for his pants. And I'm going to come down straight, and let's say about right here in the center, we're going to draw an angle line, and then 2, angles coming out. So this is kind of where his pants are going to start. So we're going to draw these very baggy. So let's work on this side first. Give it a little dip, and then we're just going to pop it out so it's wider at the bottom, and then about right here, I'm just going to wobble my way in and connect it. And then same thing on this side. About right here. Bring it in and then pop it out. And wobble. There. And then his feet. So I'm going to come about right here, just angling them down. So thinner at the ankles, and then we're just going to curve it out for his shoes. And connect. There. So same thing over here. And connect. And then for some details, the sole, and then his two curves for these slippers, and then I think it's cut off right here, and then there's some decoration, kind of like this flame. There. Okay, so same thing here. And so his toes would be here, so it's closer on this side and more room on this side. And then once again, that flame that we need to draw, so curve and wrap it around. There. Okay, so then from there, so some curves for some details, and come straight down. And so then let's finish off his cloak first. So right here, we're going to bring this down, and I'm just going to open it up so we can just have some room to show his hands. So let's say we want his hands to be about right here. So let's go ahead and just finish this off. I'm going to bring it in. It's kind of torn. So kind of like flames, and then we're going to go ahead and just finish it. And wobble. There. And then maybe you can see the back of it. There. Okay, so same thing on this side. Just gonna bring it to about here. There. And then the backs of it, you can here, I'm just going to continue this. Okay, so now hopefully that makes sense, and then we can put his hands in here. So I'm just going to come right about here and just draw a slight angle, cut it off, and then have his hands right here. There. Hopefully that makes sense. I just needed to make it as simple as possible. So same thing here. Tuck it in because it's so complicated already, right? And then the hands. There. So then for some details in his outfit, you can come back in here and draw a straight line down. Add some buttons. A little rectangle shape here, and then on his belt in the center, 2 buckles, and then almost forgot. So let's add some flame shapes here as well. And here. There. And then let's finish his awesome hair. So I'm going to come back to this area right here, and we're just going to basically zigzag back and forth. Sometimes going up and then down. Now we're just going to bring it in and tuck it in. So same thing on this side, right about here. There. Just bring it in. And you could even, I don't know, maybe more details if you like, for more different strands of flames. Hopefully I'm not overcomplicating it, but hopefully you get the idea. And hopefully I have gotten everything. Tuck that in a little bit more. But that is pretty much it here for my version of Kyojuro Rengoku. Hopefully I didn't butcher his name, from Demon Slayer. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.